door. Hi. Hey, plumbing? Yeah, yes. Come in. Thanks. Got a DoorDash here. I don't know what to do with that. Just leave that right here. My name's Mike. Nice to meet you too. Why?
It's nothing.
It's nothing. Don't worry about it. All right. I'm just gonna take your word for it. I'm gonna take your word for it. All right. Yeah. So where's? Yeah.
Upstairs?
It's
Okay.
upstairs. Just
All
follow me. Yeah. You turn all the way. I don't know. Thanks. I got it. Down this hall? Just down this hall. Yeah, okay. Smells kind of funky, don't you think? Well, yeah. Think you can fix it? Yeah. How long has that been sitting in there? About a week or two. I'm a plumber, so that's what I signed up for. Yo, bro, what's in this toilet, bro? What's in this toilet?
Nah, I want to hear all that. No. I don't like a whole Chipotle bowl, man. I can't fix this toilet. I can't. Bro, I thought this was an easy job. No,
You got me tweaked out. Wow. Yo, was that? Is that why your hands was wet? You tried to unclog the toilet?
I just made it worse.
With the toilet? What's wrong with you? You touched me with those.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
We're done.
Wet
We're
my
done.
hands or
No.
whatever.
No.
I
None of
need
that.
my toilet fixed. You don't gotta make me do it.